Come test drive the 2007 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, traction control, backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.